they're chasing me. No, they must not catch me. I have enough money now. Yes, enough for my starving visitors. Please, let me go. Let me go home before you freeze me. Very well, officer. Signature headquarters. Sir, this is headquarters. Good morning, Captain. No, Captain, you're mistaken. I was once a good boy, just like the rest of you here, just like any of your sons. But when the time was, I was reared in slums. But we lived honestly. We lived honestly in life. My father, mother, brothers, sisters, and I. But then, poverty enters the pillars of our home. My father became jobless. My mother got ill. The small savings my mother had kept were all spent, all for our daily needs and her needed medicine. One night, my father went out telling us that he would come back in a few minutes with plenty of food and money. But that was the last time I saw him. He went with another woman. If only I could lay my hands on his neck and wring it without pain until he breathes no more. If you were in my place, you'll do it, Captain, won't you? Well, you won't still be with me? Come in our shoe and left this Shantyberry Railroad. Mother, I'm home. Mother, dear Captain, see my dead mother. Captain, did you give me no, Captain stole the money